Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maan Fashion. How are you? I hope my all friends and my viewers will be fine, okay, and doing well and enjoying your life with your sweet family and friends like me. I'm also good, perfect, alhamdulillah, thanks of my Allah. So guys, let's back to our video. Today I'm going to share with you most beautiful and most attractive and impressive women hand nail art designs and art accessories and nail paint color. So wow, it's so beautiful and attractive and amazing nail art designs and beautiful and stylish nail paint color. So you can get many ideas that how you can prettiest your beautiful hand nail with beautiful nail colors, nail paint colors, and also beautiful nail art accessories. If you want to buy these beautiful nail art accessories and also these beautiful nail paint color, so you go your own shopping malls, you will buy from there very easy and affordable price. But I'm sure if these are very expensive, but I'm sure when you apply this beautiful nail paint color in your beautiful hands, and then your beautiful hand most beautiful and personality and attractive, you forget their prices. Okay, if you want to buy online, then I tell some websites name like AliExpress, Amazon, eBay.com, etsy.com, gearbest.com, Light in the Box, and chooseby.com. My dearest friend, these websites so famous and you can get latest variety. You can see latest designs and more latest variety from these websites. Please visit my channel and visit these websites. Okay, so please like me, comment me, don't forget sharing my video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.